relentless Baja sun beat down, baking the arid landscape to a crisp. Yet, nestled amongst the tenacious, drought-resistant flora and weathered rocks, Cabo House stood as a sanctuary. It wasn't imposed upon the land, rather, it seemed to rise organically from it. Terraced platforms cascaded down the gentle incline, each supporting a portion of the dwelling. Walls of rammed earth, the very color and texture of the surrounding sand, appeared to have sprouted between the boulders and native greenery, offering a sense of profound privacy within while simultaneously acting as frames, carefully directing the gaze outward towards the shimmering expanse of the Sea of Cortez. Above these earthen walls, the roof structure appeared to float, a deliberate and crucial element in defining the home's distinct zones. Its varying heights subtly demarcated the four key programmatic areas, creating a sense of spatial hierarchy and flow. The design fostered both separation and connection, allowing for individual retreats while seamlessly weaving together the different volumes through a series of verdant gardens and open-air corridors. These pathways acted as transitional spaces, guiding inhabitants through the landscape and eventually leading them to the central inner patio. This courtyard served as the vibrant heart of Cabo House, a communal space where the boundaries between inside and outside blurred. Bathed in natural light and sheltered from the harsher elements, it offered a gathering place, a tranquil oasis amidst the rugged beauty of the Baja California Sur environment. The thoughtful design by Dellekamp Arquitectos had not just built a house, it had crafted an experience, an invitation to truly inhabit and appreciate the unique and challenging poetry of this arid coastal landscape.